What's going on, folks? What's happening here? We're going to be cooking a little bit. There's the whole plethora of chaos on this table. Let's see if you can see it. It's a bunch of shit. Bunch of ingredients. So we're starting off with, it's about 5 to 6 medium potatoes, 4 cups diced, cooked, cooled, red potatoes. You know, mise en place. The majority of my ingredients are cut and ready to go. So I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of scallions in here. A little over 1/4 cup of diced red onion. It's potato salad after all. It needs celery. I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup. Does that crunch, that hydration. 2 tablespoons of jalapeños for that amount. You could go more or less or completely omit it. Depends on your taste buds. It's going to be your kitchen. This is my kitchen, so I'm making it my way. But when you bring it into your kitchen, you make it your way. So what else are we going to add into this one? I had some leftover Kalamata olives. Looks like 1/2 cup. Chop it, dice it, leave them whole, have them, whatever you want. I'm slicing them. These are pitted, obviously, because I'm going right in with the knife. Can't see me chopping, so we move it. If you want, you could even put it into like a Roboku, a food processor. That's the lazy way. Like chop more than 2, 1. But my perfectionism, I want perfect rings. So, Ring of Fire just popped into my brain. Is that Johnny Cash? I had roasted red peppers. I don't know, Kalamata olives, roasted red peppers. I'm gonna put dill, parsley, feta. We're going Mediterranean vibes here. No mayo. I'm going to use olive oil and fresh lemon. Let's add a cucumber. Had it, why not? I'm going to dice them. You know, cucumber brings that cooling hydration to the body. Remember, food is medicine, food is frequency. All these fresh ingredients serve a function in your body, in your vessel. Be mindful of what you're putting into it. If it's live and fresh, it raises your vibration. If it's dead, canned, packaged, frozen, it lowers your vibration. Think about fast food. Do they have anything fresh in fast food? Nope. It's all fried, it's all greasy, it's all meant to cause inflammation in your body, get you groggy, weighed down, so, you know, you feel unmotivated. I don't know if y'all pick up a theme over here. They want everyone fat, lazy, hooked on medication, sick. It's all about taking everybody's money and making their pockets fatter while making the collective and the whole world sick. Because if you ask me, why are we paying for fucking water? I remember when I was younger, there was certain places that had like spring water taps where you could, you know, bring your container and get fresh spring water for free. Now, all those places are like boxed off, have fences around them. You can't get into them. We're putting in fresh dill. The recipe is going to be in the caption, so don't worry. They got all gates around it. You can't get anything. You can't get the water, but you got to buy the water. And I don't know if you guys even read your water labels. A lot of that water is purified. So you're telling me, you're charging me, let's take a gallon of water. I was at ShopRite when I noticed it because I grabbed it by mistake, and when it rang up purified, I'm like, what the fuck is this? So you're selling me basically Brita water for over $1? Like, how's that ethical? It's not. We're putting parsley in there, chopped. We're running down the ingredients. Next, I got garlic, lemon, season it up, salt, pepper. My favorite, smoked paprika. This reminds me of school, one of the modules I had with one of my teachers, which ironically, nothing's ironic in this freaking world and in your reality. The teacher, I went to ICE in New York City, Institute of Culinary Education, which they have one in Istanbul, Turkey, and he taught there. It was like, shocker, I'm Turkish. 555 on that timer. I had walked into my room earlier to journal something, and it was 555. Spirit talking loud again. We're gonna add some crumbled feta into the mix too, because why not? We said Mediterranean vibes, right? I'm just putting a whole chunk in there because as I'm mixing it, it's gonna crumble and break down. So I got 2 lemons here, and then I got 1 giant garlic. And before you say garlic and potato salad, look, it's not mayo based. Even if it was mayo based, I put it in there because garlic is a good ally. It kills parasites. So you don't have to do those parasite cleanses or whatever, because garlic just automatically does that. And think about all the vampire movies. Truth in plain sight, they put everything up in our face. So garlic is good for the body. So is all this fresh lemon juice, but there's a lot. There's a lot of kids in this pool, so we need to give it flavor. All the spices are on the other side. I'm not walking to the other side right now. Actually, maybe I should. It seems like it's some kind of code. I've been seeing the 5s today. 555. So I'll see you on the other side. I'm gonna end this here because I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper, paprika, and then I'm gonna mix it. You know me. I do the talking, and then I do reels, and I do a bunch of stuff. So you'll end up seeing this again. But look at it now. It's like, taste the rainbow. Look at all these colors in here. Fresh herbs. Like, come on, man. Get in the kitchen. Get cooking. Raise your vibration.